Heather and Kristen, and we're back, and we're going to do a our cat picks our makeup for us.
I'm kind of nervous about this.
You kind of are?
I'm terrified to see what the cats decide.
I think
one or the other. I'm interested to see if Audrey will jump in.
I think Harper will be the one that's like,
well, if there's food, she's like, yes, give them to me. I'll pick whatever you want.
So just stay tuned. Hey guys, we are back to do another take because the last one we had had Mama's butt showing, and we just thought we'd spare that for you guys.
She's been rehearsing.
Yeah, she's like, I know what's going on. I see the treats. Hi, Mamas, and maybe we can get Audrey in here. Audrey.
You ready?
Anyways, so let's try. So we've got the Marc Jacobs Wild One palette, the Tardiest Pro To Go palette, and the Morphe with Jaclyn Hill, and this one is the Bling Boss palette.
You say it every time.
Yeah, I do. Okay, I'm gonna hold her, and then she'll go and get the one she wants. She's like, give it to me.
Your butt is eating the palette.
I know.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, get it. Okay, it's this one.
It's a Tarte palette.
So we'll put this one aside and we'll put it in the basket. Okay, so we got the Tarte palette. Next is highlighter. And we've got the Wet n Wild. No, I'm sorry. This is Milani Trio, and then the Wet n Wild. Oh!
She was like, I'm done.
And the Becca highlighter chaser in Opal Jade. Come here, Mamas.
Harper's like,
You a treat?
I'm out.
You a treat? Come here.
Look, come here.
Come here.
Mama.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you,
Jerk.
baby. Come here. Okay. Ready? Ready? Get one. Go get one. Okay, it's gonna be that one.
She likes the
She got the Wet n Wild one. And we're gonna do the Kat Von D Shade and Light, or the Butter and Bronzer from Physicians Formula.
Wait.
Just do it on top, right on top of them.
Hold her for a second.
She's like, give it to me. Oh, Shade and...
Girl knows what she wants.
Yep. That goes to you. Oops.
Gonna break it.
That's okay. I didn't break it.
No, it's gonna like break out.
And then we've got the Double Decker lashes from Butter London, and the Essence Volume Stylist.
She knows I have it made. She's like, Mom. Daddy?
Just do it on top.
I know. Watch.
Okay. Here we go.
Give that to Audrey.
Audrey, you wanna play? She picked that one, right?
Yes.
Okay, Mamas. Come here, Audrey. Come here. Come on. You wanna play? Audrey, she's like, oh, I know what this is. Oh, I know. Okay, she's picking the Kristen Kylie Liquid Lip. So now that we've got our choices, we've got our makeup, and follow us to the makeup studio. I'm sorry, you have to see her butt.
She's like, Mom, I'm trying to eat.
Oh, she is. I'm sorry.
She's like, jeez.
Can you say hi? Such a pretty kitty.
She's like, yeah, if you leave my hiney alone.
Such a pretty kitty. Those are our babies. Anyways, we'll see you in a few. Okay, so we are back, and she's going to work on her eyes, and I'm going to work on the rest of my face, and then vice versa. But we're going to speed it up on her part. She's going to show you what she uses for her eyes. What?
I was doing that.
We're going to show you what she uses for her eyes. Like what she's going to point and show which color she uses each time. Do you want some brushes? Or you like yours?
Not really, but they work.
Well, here, I'll give you some brushes. I've got plenty.
Let's get the ball rolling.
Okay. So, here we go.
doesn't feel like it's doing any bit of good.
No, it's not. So that's the look. I'm just gonna throw away that mascara. That mascara is terrible.
It's gonna go in the garbage.
It's going in the trash.
Trash, garbage. Ooch. I need
Yeah.
some sound effects.
Yeah, I need to do that. But basically, that's our look, you know, from A to Z as far as the cats picking up our makeup. And we hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please make sure you like the video. And if you want to subscribe to us, please subscribe to our channel. And
That was fun.
yeah,
It was cute. It was cute to see the cats interact.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was really fun to do with the cats. And then give them treats. They're not, you know, I don't
They're
give
not
them treats
opposed to
every
those.
single day.
Yeah,
but
they're not opposed to those.
yeah. So, anyways, we will talk to you soon. And thanks for watching the video. Bye.
Bye, guys.